Hi, I'm Sean with Anthem Marine. Today we're going to be unboxing the JL Audio M6-770s. This is the white sport grill variant. When you open up your packaging, you will have everybody's favorite stickers, your mounting template, warranty card, and manual. Mounting hardware for both speakers, and then your pair of speakers inside, nicely wrapped. Getting into the speaker itself, you have the face, mounting depth, back. The grill does come off. You have a nice tweeter bridge here. The grill can only go on two different ways, but based off of installation of getting to your two blade terminals there, you could flip this around if need be and flip the grill around. This speaker is the white sport grill variant. It is offered in a gunmetal titanium sport grill, as well as a classic grill with white tweeter and black tweeter. The speaker itself is 7.7 inches overall. It is 3¼ inches deep, 3.32 to be exact, and it has a protrusion profile of 1.08 inches. This is offered with LED transflective lighting as well. You can find all the specifications to this product on our website, and you can find the link to this product in the description below. Thanks for watching.